2,000 rounds a minute, a double-barreled salvo from 1 kilometer away, directly tearing the base to shreds. And this is just a regular greeting from the Soviet ZU-23 old cannon. When the West is developing million-dollar anti-aircraft missiles, this steel scythe without complicated seedlings has already announced with deafening registration and overwhelming bullet comments who is the absolute master of the low altitude of the battlefield. As a rare evergreen tree in the history of military equipment, the ZU-23 has a second spring in the modern battlefield. Its core uses two A-14 Type 23-meter machine guns. The barrel is 2 meters long. The direction of the gun is designed to 360 degrees. Using the gas-guided automatic principle, the rate of fire up to 1,000 rounds per minute per barrel, the actual combat rate of about 400 rounds per minute. The barrel design is particularly ingenious with a lift above, which can be quickly replaced when the barrel overheats. The process only takes 15-20 seconds. Each gun is equipped with 2 spare barrels, which guarantees continuous combat capability. The gun uses a very rich variety of nitrogen, including armor-piercing incendiary shells, luminous shells, and high-explosive shells. The co-projectile system uses 50 rounds of metal shells, and the chain box is located on the side of the 2 cannons. So far, the total production of the ZU-23 exceeds 140,000 and is adopted by more than 20 countries. Even many of the former Warsaw Pact countries that joined the breach chose to keep him after phasing out a large number of Soviet weapons. The ZU-23 weighs only 0.95 tons and is about 4.6 meters long. It can be towed by a variety of light vehicles and can be mounted on armored vehicles. In an emergency, it can even be fired directly during the march. Its gunframe design is ingenious, supported by 3 jacks, and it takes only 15-30 seconds to go from march to combat. The operation usually requires a commander and 2 gunners. The range is about 2.5 kilometers, and the effective altitude in the air is 1.5 kilometers, which just covers the main operating airspace of low-altitude aircraft and drones. On the Russian-Ukrainian battlefield, both Russia and Ukraine have formed mobile anti-drone teams. They consist of multiple light trucks, equipped with electronic station equipment and smoke release vehicles, forming a complete anti-drone combat system. Looking at other battlefields around the world, due to its simple structure, rapid firepower, and easy access, it has frequently appeared in various armed conflicts. In Vietnam, the ZU-23 is still an active equipment of the Air Defense Force.